Вот менеджер объекта.
Я говорю, ну нету.
So guys, we have finally paid. A very long queue. Even they blocked the exit. Oh, another queue. I wonder where. I think that is the queue to enter.
Ребенка на прокат нету?
Yeah, guys, it seems that it is the queue to enter. Вообще трэш какой-то. All these people, guys, are waiting to enter Ikea.
Я узнала, там...
О, даже что, открыли?
Кого читать?
Отойдите от ставни, магазин закрыт!
They announce that it is closed. Кошмар.
Закатись быстрее!
I'm locked, guys, here. Моё. So guys, I'm going to find the exit from here. I'm trapped here. You see, they closed the entrance. So go to find the exit, guys. I think the entrance is here. Oh, very unexpected, guys. Very, very unexpected. The ending is unexpected. Maybe here it is still possible to leave the shop. I'm without purchases. I went to a toilet, guys, and I'm trapped here. А где выход из покупок?
Да нет, у меня там телек стоит.
Можно выйти?
Позовите мэн.
Ой-ой-ой. Фу. I'm out, guys. Now I go to find Alex.
Я, значит, молния. 30 человек.
And that is, guys, the exit where we left Ikea a few minutes ago. And that is Alex. Now I will tell him the story.
3 часа он набирал, и еще
Alex, you cannot imagine. The queue was from here up to the entrance. I went inside, I went to the toilet, and they closed the door. I was trapped inside. Внутри меня закрыли. And they say no exit from here. So I went to the restaurant. The restaurant is closed. Some people tried to escape, and I followed them, and luckily, I'm out of there. You can't imagine. They closed the entrance. Вход закрыли, меня внутри заперли. И все, говорит, иди, говорит, туда куда-то, в обход. Я пошла в обход, нашла выход в ресторан. Ресторан тоже из выхода закрыт на вход. Я там кое-как пролезла, короче, трэш какой-то.
Поехали, ролик делать.
Пошли домой отсюда.
Так, ты какой пока?
By the way, Alex, tomorrow you can be back and return all these goods, if it is necessary for you.
Не поеду. Больше не поеду.
No?
Сейчас тут вон очередь, видишь? Смотри,
Ай. Eight o'clock, guys. Alex went to take the car. I am waiting here with the purchases. So everything is closed at the moment. The shop is closed for entrance, and now only people can leave the shop, luckily with purchases, because queues, you cannot imagine how long queues today. All the storage, that is a long queue up to the flower department. So we were standing we were waiting in the queue for about 1 hour. About 20 minutes it took us to pay because a lot of small items and to scan everything. There was no manager. That was help yourself desk, and we spent about, I think, 15 or 20 minutes at the cash desk. Help yourself, I don't know, help yourself desk. Самооплаты. Alex came. Nowhere to park. So now we will be very quick to put everything inside. Now guys, is one more challenge. We have left the parking lot. So guys, we are leaving Ikea and Ikea is leaving Russia. Trash is going on here. A big traffic jam to leave the parking lot. So we are stuck here at the exit from this shopping plaza. Today was the final day. Ikea is closed. Ikea, how you call it? Ikea is closed. Russians say Ikea. So it is closed for unknown period. So no entrance at the moment. No one can enter the shop. It works only to leave the shop. So you may pay and leave the shop with your purchases. You cannot enter at the moment. Now is 8:30 and they work today up to midnight. So they already closed the entrance 4 hours before the end of the working day. We go with Alex back home. Alex is very angry because he could not eat meatballs in Ikea. Alex, don't be so sad. We will go to Globus. To be honest, guys, we did not expect such trash today. It was just ordinary trip to Ikea. It was planned several days ago, and what happened today, that is, well, absolutely unexpected situation.
Ужас, ужас.
Yeah, Alex says horror, horror. Yeah, ужас, ужас.